Okay, this is Miss Sucks-a-Lot. First prototype of this vacuum cleaner has been destroyed. When I first hooked this up, this is a Hitachi vacuum head. I could not buy filters for it anymore. The filter was more patches than filter. It didn't work very good anymore, and it had a little tiny 5-gallon pail. When I first hooked these two together, this leaf blower and this vacuum, they were both sucking out of this barrel. I had the leaf blower attached to this port right here. And the first drop box that I made for the dust to fall into came apart. It got sucked together. It imploded. In other words, the vacuum system was too powerful, even though the wood was strong, very strong. It had a 1/2-inch plywood bottom and a 1/2-inch plywood top, and sides were 3/8, and they were ribbed, just like this. These doors are ribbed. So it made it very, very strong by ribbing it like that. But they were glued and screwed together, but yet the vacuum system was too powerful. It actually sucked in the 1/2-inch top by about 1/4 of an inch. It's unbelievable how strong these two combined together, sucking out of this one 30-gallon barrel. On the bottom of this barrel, there is about 1.5 inches of water. I started with a lot of water, and it was sucking up the water and throwing it out the vacuum after I got this system set up here. And the reason I bought these two 55-gallon plastic barrels, and I reinforced them with those circles right there. They're 3-ply thick, 16 little pieces glued together and 3 layers thick. And they were all, I don't know how thick this is. What is that? I don't know. A little more than 3/8, maybe 7/16. But anyway, they're very, very, very strong. And I made 3 on the inside. Each one, 2, and 3 on the inside. Then I made these 2 for the outside. And they were all machined down with a router and jig set up, so they were perfectly sized. Anyway, now I have the system set up a little different. I have this leaf blower blowing into to the barrels, and this one is sucking out of everything. And it's very powerful, and it will suck up these 3/8 rubber mats that I have down, and the wand that I use right here has little wheels on it, thank God, because it still scoots along even though it's sucking up the mat. On the edges I have to put my foot down, and some of the edges are glued down. But anyway, this is what it is. And I'm not going to start it up because I have nothing really to vacuum up. But this is what it is. It's a leaf blower. And this portion of the system catches the real heavy stuff, like screws. If screws go in here, they won't go up into the leaf blower because I don't want nuts and screws and pieces of steel and big pieces of wood to go in there. I try not to pick up stuff like that, but if they do, they come in here and they fall down into the bottom here. I would like to actually make this a little longer, so I have more space in there, because some of the big wood chips fall into this area right here. Anyway, this is it. When I use this, I take it apart every day after I use it, and to clean and it comes apart very easily. And to clean the filter, all I got to do is dump the water out. And when I'm dumping the water out, there is no dust in the air because the water soaks up the dust, and the dust doesn't get airborne. And that's it.